Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make these two logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, we are going to create a first one. This is the AI logo. First, I'm creating a rectangle and rounding the corner. Now duplicate it. You can press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. After the duplicating, change the color, disable the snapping option. You have to adjust these two objects like this. I think this is okay now. Now select this one and change the color and apply the outline for this object. You can enable the fill and stroke dialog box from here. Apply the outline. Go to this section and change the value. You can use it according to your requirement. I think this is okay. Now apply the gradient option. Change the color of gradient. Now select this one. Change the color. Edit the gradient. So we have applied the gradient for the both object. Now we are going to write our text. You can use any font style, but I need it simple. mm, Remove the outline. I think we have to modify our text. Now delete this nodes and create a rectangle, sorry, circle. You adjust the width of the circle. mm, I think this is okay now. Now select all these and change the color. Go to path and click on union. So now this is a single object. Now select this one and duplicate it. After the duplicating, change the color. Now select this object from the bottom and click on raise to top. Now select this one and adjust it like this. Now you can change shade of the color. Now select this one and again duplicate it. I have pressed Ctrl plus D for the duplicate and change the color. Now select the only all yellow object. Go to path and click on raise to top. Now select this object from the bottom and apply the gradient for this object. So we have successfully created our logo, and this logo is very useful for the beginner, and any beginner can make this object this logo. And please try with your own font style, and I know you can make better than me. And now I'm going to show you the another one. So guys, this is the completed our logo. Now I'm going to show you another one. First create a rectangle. I'm going to set the width of this object. This is the square. Now Control plus D, or you can duplicate it. Again duplicate it. Now increase the height of these objects. Select all these and align into center. Duplicate this one. Now round the corner of these objects. Now select this one and round the corner. Now duplicate this one and snap it like this. You can align it, change the color so we can see, or reduce the size of this object. Increase the height of this object. Now select these two and click on union, or you can select all these and click on union. Now apply the gradient for the all of and change the gradient color. add the extra node for this gradient. Double click to add the gradient node. Change the color. Change the color. Adjust the gradient nodes. Now go to path and click on break apart. Now select only this object and we are going to rotate it. You can also rotate it from here. Now hold down control key and rotate it. Now create a guideline and snap this object like this. Now reduce the size of this object. So guys, we have successfully created our basic shapes. Now we have to create a background. I am creating a simple rectangle. Fill with the dark color and send it to back. Now we are going to log this object. Now select all these and adjust the size. Now press Ctrl plus G for group and duplicate it. Disable the snapping option and apply the gradient for the above object. You can adjust according to your need. I think this is okay now. Thanks for the watching, and we have created our logo, and I know you can make better than me. Please try with your own way. And here is your the both logo, you can see it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.